If Sketchup is showing a 404 error, don't worry, because this usually means the page, help article, 3D warehouse model, or extension warehouse link you're trying to open is missing, moved, or temporarily unavailable. In this video, I'll show you the most effective fixes step by step so you can get Sketchup working again as quickly as possible. And if this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Sketchup fixes and software guides. Let's start with the most likely solution, which is clearing the web cache. Sketchup stores cached web data to help pages load faster, but sometimes that cache keeps an old or deleted link. When that happens, Sketchup may try to load a page that no longer exists, which can trigger a 404 error. First, close Sketchup completely. Make sure it's fully shut down and not running in the background. Next, open File Explorer on Windows and click the address bar at the top. Then paste this path exactly as shown, %appdata, %/sketchup, /sketchup 2026 /sketchup. Press enter. Inside that folder, look for a folder named WebCache. Once you find it, delete it. This clears out the old cached web data that may be causing the error. After deleting the WebCache folder, relaunch SketchUp and try opening the warehouse again. In many cases, that alone fixes the problem. If the 404 error is gone, then the issue was simply a bad cached link stored locally on your computer. If you still get the error, the next thing to check is whether the 3D warehouse service itself is having a problem. Sometimes the issue is not on your device at all. Open your regular web browser, such as Chrome or Edge, and go to 3dwarehouse.sketchup.com. If the site loads normally in your browser but not inside SketchUp, then the problem is likely local and you should continue with the next fixes. However, if you also see a 404 error in your regular browser, that usually means Trimble's servers may be down, under maintenance, or temporarily having routing issues. In that case, there may be nothing wrong with your SketchUp installation. The best option is often to wait an hour or two and try again later. Now let's move on to the next fix, which is updating SketchUp 2026. Trimble sometimes changes the URL structure for services like 3D Warehouse, and when that happens, they may release a maintenance update so SketchUp knows where to connect. If you're using an older subversion of SketchUp 2026, your internal links may point to outdated paths. To check for updates, open SketchUp and go to Help, then click Check for Updates. If any maintenance release or patch is available, install it right away. Once the update is complete, restart SketchUp and test the warehouse again. This is an important step because even a small update can fix connection issues and broken service links. If the error still isn't resolved, the last step is to reset your DNS cache. Your computer may have stored a bad or outdated route to Trimble's servers, and flushing DNS forces it to look up the correct current path again. On Windows, click the search bar, type CMD, then right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as administrator. In the Command Prompt window, type ipconfig/flushdns and press Enter. You should see a confirmation that the DNS resolver cache was successfully flushed. After that, restart SketchUp and try accessing the warehouse once more. At this point, one of these fixes should solve the SketchUp 404 error. Most users will be fixed by clearing the web cache folder, but if the issue is server-side, updating SketchUp or flushing DNS can also help. If you want, you can also try signing out and back in, or testing another network just to rule out a local connection problem. If this video helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe for more SketchUp troubleshooting tutorials, and leave a comment if you want help with another SketchUp error. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.